So if you just take a trending audio and you slap it on your video and post it as a reel, that's the worst way to use a trending audio. There are 5 ways through which you can use trending audios, which will not only help you to increase your reach, followers, but also if you're a business, it will help you to gain more sales and increase your customer base. First one is set the tonality. Now every audio has a tone. It can be calm, it can be moody, it can be happy, it can be sad, it can be fast paced or slow paced. If you're pasting a very slow sad song with a happy song, it's just not going to work well visually and while you're hearing it as well. So you cannot pair a fast-paced video with a slower one and vice versa. You need to see the mood of the video and then combine the video which you have with the audio, and that is going to work way better. The second one to use a trending audio, which is very common, is to follow the trend. We see all of the audios which are performing well. The key here is to start the trend or just go ahead and participate in it very in the beginning. That is going to give you so much reach. A great way to spot trending audios is to follow accounts like me, which is Urvee Designs on Instagram. I constantly share trending audios which are under 50,000, and these are the type of audios which you should focus on because those are on the peak and they are going to grow from there. Third one is creating original content of the trending audio. Now if you may see trending audios, some of them have like a certain template on which people edit their videos. I will insert a example of one trending audio where basically people are showing their top 10 travel photos, and it was a very fast paced song, so people are changing their photos every 2-3 seconds. What I did for it was just change it from travel to fashion because my niche is usually fashion and lifestyle, and I created a existing video which is called as Me Show Haul. I showed the things which I got, but I changed the duration. Instead of putting my travel photos, I used the fashion example, and this is how the video looked, and as you can see, it looks great. I am adding a good element to my video by using the trending audio. Are you liking what you are watching so far? Do not forget to subscribe because I post so many of such Instagram tips for you. The fourth one is staying relevant. Now this comes in especially if you are creating talking videos like this or informative videos. What you can do is just take any audio which is trending and just lower the volume of it and paste it on your existing audio. What will happen, it will give like a basic background music, and your video won't be just the audio of you talking and talking and talking. It will have a bit of a rhythm which will go ahead in your subconscious, and people will also feel like watching the video. Now I feel like this is a very common thing which a lot of people do, but if you still aren't doing that, I would recommend you to do that. Fifth one is giving credit. Now let's say if you hear the song Barbie, or you just hear like the Jhumka, which one is trending a lot right now. So what you can do is create your own version of it and then repost or like tag the creator. What will happen, people the creator might watch it. So many creators created dance covers, transition tutorials, fashion tutorials, and Alia Bhatt gave them a shout out by commenting on it. Hence it got more recognition, more reach, and even maybe who knows, they can even share it on their profile and you will get such a good amount of reach by just using that trending audio, but in your take. So always go ahead and give credit. You may never know who it might come across and what opportunities you will get from it. If you're interested in learning more about Instagram, click the first link in the description and watch my Becoming Instapreneur course. I teach so many things, right from creating the ideal profile, how to create a compelling content strategy, how to read your data like a pro. This is something not a lot of people know about. So if you're interested, click the first link in the description and I'll see you in that video. That was it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and if you want more Instagram tips, leave me a comment and I'll see you then. Bye.